Alright, we're going to download VS Code, and we want to see sort of what's going on with codex, which is OpenAI's agentic sort of solution for developing. We can put it in VS Code. We'll see what we can do, you know? See what we can do. So first of all, we need VS Code. This is, of course, Microsoft's platform. Read your agreements. Like I just did. I don't know how this exists. I don't remember ever installing it, so whatever. Let's create an icon, why not? Why not? Download it. I want to install stuff so we can do Java and springboot, which is going to be Gradle, Maven. We'll see what else. So we got this going. Just get this in the window. I have a 49-inch ultra wide, so putting this in the window is a little bit sketch, but looks okay, so we'll go with that. Let's see, get started with VS Code. Customize your editor, learn the basics, and start coding. We need, let's just ask, since we like to do AI, obviously, let's go ahead and ask Copilot. How to install Java and what's the other thing? Spring boot into VS Code. Stop. We already have JDK, obviously. Pretty sure we already have this done. Already did that. Open VS Code and go to the extensions marketplace. I'm going to pull this over to the side. I'm just going to scroll down to it. We're on this version, this part, the install Java extension part. I'm just going to sort of scroll down this. You can pause it, read it if you're interested in the steps, whatever, but I want to pull this aside over here and sort of see if I can go through this. So let's see here. Install Java extension in VS Code. Search for extension pack for Java. Install it. Language support for Java by Red Hat. Debug for Java. Project. This gives you code. Okay. Popular extension of Java development provides Java, IntelliSense debugging, testing, Maven, Gradle. Sounds great. Oh, we want both of these. I think I have this one in Eclipse. I guess we just install both of these, see what happens. Installing. Sweet. Published 8 years ago. Wow. Alright, so now we're going to look at codex here. So install, I guess. This is OpenAI's website, obviously. It said get started, vscode, because that's what we're doing, right? And it sent me here to install codex. So now we have the I'm so bad with my mouse, it's not even funny. So the codex here. Sign in with ChatGPT. So there is. How do you, let's see, how do we boot this? I just want to see it on my local host. We'll call it a, you want to see if we can do some prompting, get to generate us code, which we always do. We always just use Copilot and generate the code and copy and paste it. But, you know, I want to try the $20 OpenAI Codex subscription and see how much can we do. How much can we do with it without getting hit with fees or other things, and see what it's like. So yeah, I have no idea. We could try a terminal, see if that works. It's probably gonna be like Gradle not installed. Might need to go to the project. Just so I don't use Windows. No, I want to go there. So I can CD that way, but whatever. Alright. What's next? Is that what I said? This is what happens when you're using Windows. So like, it's funny when Copilot is telling me the Linux commands. It's just like assuming. I mean, it knows I use Windows. It's so hard, I don't understand. But clearly, can't figure out the IDE. Have no freaking clue what's going on, right? But we got the terminal to run. And this is correct. We are on the right project. So we went to the project folder, right? We got to where the project is, the root of the project. I wish this thing would stop going down. We got to the root of the project, which was EisenhowerEnterprise.com on my E drive. Gradle W boot run. I had this stuff set up on my computer already, but this is clearly different project location, different IDE and everything. So, but anyways, let's go to localhost. There we are. So, clearly the project is running. So, hey, if you live in Pennsylvania, you want to buy a house. This is for sale. It's for sale. 309. Was what I heard last time. Don't quote me on it. 309,000. I like this little archway here. I like it. you go. So responsive, man. This is localhost, so, you know. The real one is out there, though. Running on my Raspberry Pi 5 right next to me. You know, it's still good. It's flowing through them, you know. It's all good. Giving you whiplash here with the